Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself Santosh, and today we are going to discuss quadratic equation, which is your chapter 4th of 10th class Cbse. So let's start. So first we have to know what is quadratic equation. Okay, so what is quadratic equation? An equation which have power 2. Okay, highest power 2. Okay, this is the highest power, or this is also known as degree. Okay, degree 2. Okay, so an equation having degree 2 is known as quadratic equation. So what is equation? Okay, what is equation? It is an expression which have have some constant variables and must have a is equal to sign. Okay, so equation is an expression which have some constant term, some variables and is equal to sign. So what is constant? Constant means 2, 4, 5, they are constants. Okay, variables means x, y, z, p, q, r. Okay, these are the constants. So now we know what is quadratic equation. An equation which have degree 2 is called quadratic equation. So let us take an example. Suppose 2x square plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation because its degree is 2. Okay, highest power is known as degree and it has degree 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Suppose 3x square minus 5x plus 1, this is equal to 0. Okay, this is also a quadratic equation because degree is 2. Suppose 4x cube minus 2x square plus 3x is equal to 9. This is not a quadratic equation because the highest power is 3. Okay, so this is a cubic equation. Okay, so sometime it is asked in your exam that if the degree of an equation is 3, then the equation is said to be dash, then the answer should be cubic. Okay, this equation should be cubic. Suppose let us take another example. 10x cube minus 3x square plus 4x is equal to, let's suppose 10x cube. Okay, see, this is a quadratic equation. Why? You may say the highest power is 3. This should be a cubic one, but not. This is a quadratic because see, this 10x cube and this 10x cube can be cancelled. So this equation can be converted to minus 3x square plus 4x is equal to 0. Okay, this equation can be represented by this form also. So here we can see the highest power is 2. So as we have discussed, an equation having degree 2 is quadratic, so this is a quadratic equation. Okay, now let us see what is the general form of a quadratic equation. General form of a quadratic equation, or this may be also known as standard form. Okay, so what is standard form or general form? The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is known as the general form or standard form of a quadratic equation, because every quadratic equation can be represented by this form. Okay, every equation we can represent in this form. Okay, let us see this example. In this case, 2x square plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. Here a is 2. Okay, see what is a? The coefficient of x square. Okay, coefficient of x square is a. So coefficient of x square is 2. So here a is 2. Then b is what? The coefficient of x. So here coefficient of x is 5. So b is 5. Then c is minus 9. Okay, in this way you can find a, b and c. Let's take another example. In this case, a is 3, b is minus 5 and c is 1. Okay, in case 3x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. In this equation, these are the values of a, b and c. Okay, hope you understand this much. Then in your first exercise of 4.1, it is given just to check whether an equation is quadratic or not. Okay, so let us see how can you solve those problems. See, here is a book. Suppose, let's see, exercise 4.1. Okay, see, the first question is, one is, check whether the following are quadratic equation. See, x plus 1 square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so now we have to solve this equation first, then only we can say whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, so here we can put the formula of a plus b whole square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we have to put this formula in this case. So this will be x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to this 2. We have to multiply this 2 with x and 3. So this will become 2x minus 6. Now see, we need not to solve this equation further because here the highest power is 2. So if it is given solve the equation, then you have to follow all these steps. If not, then you just say whether this is a quadratic or not. Okay, so x square plus 1 is equal to minus 6, or x square minus plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this 6 can be converted to this side. So the final answer is x square plus 7. This is equal to 0, and you can see the highest power is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay, let's see the second bit. Okay, see, in second bit here the highest power is 2. So this is also a quadratic equation. Okay, so see, in this equation, let's see this equation. Okay, this is an important one. Let me solve for you. X minus 2 whole into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 whole into x plus 3. Okay, see, So in this case we have to multiply all these terms. Okay, so x into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 and x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. So now how this can be done? This x is multiplied with this whole term and this 2 is also multiplied with whole. Similarly, this x is multiplied with this term and this 1 is also multiplied with the whole term. Now this will multiply with this x. Okay, in this way the multiplication will occur. So let's solve x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 x square minus 3x minus 1 into x is x minus 3. See, this x square can be cancelled with this x square. We need not to solve all these steps. Okay, so this is not a quadratic equation because the highest power is not 2. Okay, if we solve this equation, then we can find the highest power is not 2, this is 1. So this is not a equation. Okay. See, this is not an equation, quadratic equation. See, this will be a equation of quadratic or not. Solve. Let us solve. Bit 4. Okay, x minus 3 whole into 2x plus 1 is equal to x whole into x plus 5. Okay, see, this x will multiply with all this 3 is also multiplied with this. So x into 2x plus 1 plus minus 3 into 2x plus 1, this will be x square plus 5. Okay, so now we multiply 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5. Okay, so this x square can be turned to this side. So 2x square minus x square, see, x minus 6x is minus 5x and minus 3, this 5 can be turned to this side and becomes minus 5. This will be 0. See, 2x square minus x square is x square. Okay, x square minus 5x minus 8, this equals 0, and you can see the highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so your bit 4 is a quadratic. Like this you can solve all these equations. Okay, let's see your 2 number. See what is given. Represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equation. Okay, we have to represent these statements in the form of quadratic equation. Let's see how you can solve it. So your first question is, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice of its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, see how we can solve. So it is given, there is a number 2. It is given there is a rectangular field. Suppose this is a rectangular field and it is given the area of the rectangular field is 528 meter square. 528 meter square. Okay, so and it is given the length of the plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. Okay, so let the length be x. Okay, so length, let us take the length of the square field is x, then its breadth is, then breadth will be how much? Breadth is given that, see what is the breadth? See, the breadth is the length of the plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. Okay, no, it is given the length of the plot is twice more than its breadth. So we have to take x as its breadth. Okay, as its breadth. So length becomes how much? Length becomes, see, what is given? It is given that 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. So this will be become, the length will become 2x plus 1. Okay, and we know area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So length is how much? 2x plus 1. Breadth is how much? X. Okay, so this will be 2x square plus x, and according to the question 2x square plus x is equal to 528. Okay, so 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So, okay, so this is the representation of the given number. Okay, see, there are another 3 bits. Okay, let us solve the second number. It is given the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Okay, product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. So what is consecutive integers? Consecutive means we have to just add 1 with the previous one. Okay, like 3, 4. Okay, these two numbers are consecutive because we can get 4 by adding 3 plus 1. Okay, so let the first number is x. So the next number will be, so the consecutive number will be, consecutive number will be what? X plus 1. Then it is given the product is 306. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 306, and by solving x square plus x, this can be turned to this side, minus 306, this is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the representation of the second question. Okay, so there is another 2 numbers. These 2 numbers is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay, hope you can solve these 2 numbers. If not, you can comment me in the comment section. Okay, so thank you very much.